All right, so we have hair from Ywigs today. Okay, so it's 18-inch feather crochet hair in the texture body wave in this beautiful copper color. Okay, so I'm started off with my sections already done, and you know, we're just gonna flow from it from here. Now, I think for this style, what I would do is maybe the first 2 or 3 rows in the front, I will add in 3 pieces of this feather crochet hair, and then all of the ones from like the crown of my head back, I will only add 2, one at the end and one in the middle. If you don't know how to braid, of course, you can skip this step. If you do not skip this step. Take your time and braid one down onto the end, and then take my latch hook and crochet one through in the middle. I like to keep my latch hook attached. It's just easier, it flows better, and it's quicker. Boom, one in the middle, and then I go up to the top, not too close to my root, just to make it easier when it's time to remove these. Pull that through, and there. See how I have about this much space from my roots from where I added that top piece. And then just like that, we have a boho braid with 1 piece at the bottom, 1 in the middle, and then 1 at the top. Now in the back, I will only add 2. I like to unravel my ends just a little bit to be able to braid this on. I'll leave a link down below in another video where I show you guys how to crochet on the hair at the end if you do not know how to braid it onto your hair. Or you can just leave your ends how they are. That's fine. It's enough hair that it will cover it up. So see here in the back, I only have 2 pieces, 1 at the end and 1 in the middle, because you just do not need all that hair on your head. Okay, so my process when I do miracle knots, I love to go through and add in all of my bottom pieces. And then once I add in all the bottom pieces, then I go back through and crochet my top pieces. Instead of doing it all in one, how I just did this, I just feel like it flows better when I can just grab, braid, grab, and go. And then when it's time to crochet, I can crochet, crochet, crochet versus crochet and braid. So let me do that. So here's just the front section. I have the ends done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the crochet pieces through the middle. So let's do that. Okay, so all of the front is done. I'm ready to start on my 3rd pack. Basically, this is 1 pack and this is 1 pack. Okay, so I'm opening up my 4th pack and I only have 2 braids left, so I'll be taking out 6 pieces out of this pack. Okay, so here's the final look. It's really cute in a ponytail. So this is one style that I definitely will be wearing. And then you can still see the waves because this is a body wave texture. So the curls in this ponytail is super cute. Really gorgeous copper color. And I ended up using 4 packs of hair, and then I took 6 pieces out of the 5th bundle. So you can just say I used 4 packs of hair to achieve this style. My copper bangles, so cute. My copper bangles, my copper hair. Alright you guys, so that's all for this look. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this style and if you will give it a try. If so, click the link, go get yours now. Alright you guys, so I've started taking out my hair, but I wanted to show you guys how I remove it, just in case you're curious and you haven't seen any of my other videos, because 9 times out of 10 I show you how I remove the braid. So here's the one in the front where I had 3 pieces, and I'll just start unwrapping it from the bottom. Now I can't say I really did enjoy this copper color hair. It was amazing. I didn't get like any tangles. I didn't add any water or anything because I just love the curl pattern of this hair. But I can say the copper color of this hair, it transferred on a few of my things, which I will show you in a minute. That's the only downside. And I'll just take this and put it with the rest of the hair that I have already separated. Maybe next time, or just a tip for you guys, is to wash your hair prior to installing it. So first thing is, I was wearing these earrings and the color transferred onto my beautiful earrings. I was a little sad, and I'm like, you know what, this just lets me know that the color does transfer, so let me not wear any light colored shirts or no white shirt or anything like that, because the color does transfer. I really wasn't that upset. I took a mental note. But then I went to the gym, and I don't know, I didn't think that it was going to get on my headphones. I have these Beats headphones, and the color, just by being on my ear, the color transfer onto the inside. You really can't see it. It's really faint because I was able to wipe a lot of it off. But when I first took them off, I ran and got a wipe. I was wiping because I'm like, no. I paid almost $200 for these headphones. And then just to think that the color transferred. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you get this copper color hair, because it's so gorgeous. Like, I got so many compliments on my hair. When me and my mom had went out, we went like to this little fair, we went to the mall, just like a couple other stores, and I got so many compliments. I kept getting compliments on my hair and the color, so it's just so gorgeous. But just do yourself a favor and watch what you wear, even when it comes to your earrings. If you lay your head on a pillow, baby, be careful, wash your hair, and other than that, enjoy it. Okay, so that's all for this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.